Good day, you are welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll look at the settings menu in the back office. Now the settings menu is where you configure the app, you configure some necessary details in the app. So when you are in the back office, if you have access to the settings menu, you will see it on the left hand side. And then when you tap on this drop down, it will show you two more lists. The first one we're interested is in general. This is where we see the general settings. Now we are going to see different tabs here. The first one is general, printing, SMS, POS, email, and business. Now as you can see the details of what has been set here. The business name, address, language, company, email, so on and so forth. All will be set here. This is where you can set it. You can modify any of the settings that you see fit and configure the app as you like. Printing, this is what is displayed on the receipt or invoice. So you can configure what should be displayed on the receipt or invoice. Whatever is in blue toggled on will be displayed, and whatever is in gray toggled off will not be displayed. And then these other settings you can configure: receipt footer, the text shown in the bottom part of the receipt, and the invoice. You can configure all that here under printing. SMS, if you subscribe to our SMS package, you can enter your SMS details here, and then you can use the app to send SMS to customers. Perhaps you want to notify customers of their finished order, or whatever it is that you may want to notify customers for, or you just want to send SMS generally. Please reach out to us and then we'll tell you how this can be configured. And then POS, that is what is displayed what is used at the point of sale in the front desk. You can configure all these details. This is where we configure the payment method: cash, card, and transfer. You can modify as you see fit. And this is where the delivery routes are entered. For example, I can say FedEx, I can say DHL, I can say courier, I can say park, and then you can enter whatever you feel like to enter. This is where all the colors that are used in the app are configured. In the front, when somebody is dropping an order, some colors are displayed. This is where they are configured. Fabrics are displayed. This is where they are configured. All you need to do is separate each with comma, and then you are good to go, and then you save them. So this is where you configure some of the things used in the application. These are the prefixes of the order, expense, customer, and then stock, delivery, and so on and so forth. That is where you configure them. Email, if you want the app to send email to customers, or if you want to send email from the app, you configure it here. And then business, these are some business related details that you need to set. This is, for example, decimal places that the number should be displayed in, decimal separator, thousand separator, currency symbol, default discount if you want discount applied to customers, and so on and so forth. So this is where you configure all these details. Please take note that you may want to give access to this to somebody who knows what they are doing. Play around with it and see what happens in the application to understand more clearly how they affect the details displayed in the application. I hope this video tutorial was easy enough for you to understand. And then one more thing that we're going to show here is data. This is where you back up your data and restore. You should be very, very careful when you are restoring. Restoring means that it will wipe out all the existing data and overwrite it with the one you are importing. However, backup is creating a copy of the existing data as it is, perhaps for you, so that you can save it locally or elsewhere for safekeep. Should in case the application crashes, you have something to fall back to. If not, the whole thing will be started from scratch again. Let us know if you have any question concerning any setting, and then we will be glad to answer your questions. I hope this video was easy enough for you to understand. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.